Meet more contestants from the Queen Lola pageant. Remember, the pageant night is happening on August 18th. I will be there as well, along with your MCs, Fede de los Reyes and Bernardo, of course. And their last screening date, your last chance to join, if you think you've got what it takes, it's on August 5th. We'll show you the information later on in the screen. But for now, like I said, more contestants for you. Joy is only 51 years old, very pretty and very young Lola. Kamusta and welcome to Kababayan LA. Ilan na ang apo mo, Joy?
3.
Tatlo na. At ilan
Yes.
taon sila?
9, 7, and 2.
So maaga kang nag-asawa?
Yes.
Tapos siguro yung anak mo maaga ring nag-asawa?
Not really. She's
Not really.
25.
25. Hindi na, okay na yun.
Yes.
But 51-year-old Lola. And then si Juvie, you've seen her before on the show. She actually recited a poem for us. And now she's back as a contestant of Queen Lola. Hello and welcome to Kababayan LA. Juvie, why did you decide to join this contest? Bakit po kayo sumali?
Because deep in my heart, I want to show the world how important we Lolas are to the family. Because we Lolas very patient, loving, and soft-spoken to our grandchildren, and that we are the ones who are training them to be truthful, clean, industrious, and respectful to elders and to the young ones.
Wonderful answer. Kung yan po ang question sa question and answer, mataas ang points na makukuha nyo, si Lola Juvie. And next is Violet, wearing pink. Violet, why did you join this competition?
Well, the fact is, I just love to be in it, and it's like an experience, and I feel very good and share with them that I have a talent.
What is your talent? What is it that you're going to share with us?
I could sing, I could dance, and I also do taekwondo.
Oh, nako, multi-talented. Joy, ano naman ang reaction ng pamilya mo na sinabi mong sasali ka dito?
They're excited. It's like, wow, you're so young to join this Lola.
Right. But you are a Lola. Kasi
Yes.
diba, ang requirement is kung yung anak mo ay may anak, Lola ka na.
Yes,
Diba?
compared to they know that, the participants are like older than me. That's why they said, you're young to join this Lola.
And let me guess, I have a feeling na yung mga apo, mas excited pa kesa sa mga anak. Ano pong
Yes,
sabi ng mga apo nyo?
Oh, Lola, I'm telling my friends about you. Go on. We are very excited and very happy and have a copy about your experience there.
Ayan. Alam mo, dati sa Miss Universe pageant meron, what is the essence of a woman? Di ba may question na ganon? So, Violet, what is the essence of a Lola?
The essence of a Lola is magic. You know, being a Lola, my granddaughter called me Nana. It's just, wow, like it lit your spirit. It feels so good, when you are already a grandma.
And what are you going to do with the prizes naman kung ikaw ang manalo? Joy, about up to $25,000 in cash and in-kind prizes, plus a cameo role sa movie. Exciting. It's exciting. This is going to change her life.
Well, if I win as a Queen of Lola, I will donate it to this organization, a portion of it, and also I will donate it to the St. Anthony because I am a devotee.
Of St. Anthony.
Yes.
Okay. That's wonderful. Using your faith also to help you through this. Ano
Correct.
po ang gagawin niyo naman sa pagkapanalo? Tita Juvie, naku, baka mapanood ko kayo sa movie. Ready ka na bang maging artista?
For your information, if kung hindi makakasama, nakasama ko na si Vic Soto.
Oh, wow. Sa movie.
During my younger years when I was teaching, nagkaroon ng contest na ng Lola Deer. Siya ang aking anak na humihingi ng tulong sa akin, pero anak siya sa labas ng mister ko.
So meron na
That's a
kayo
drama.
experience sa acting. Wow, I would love to see all these Lolas. It's not just them. You still have a chance to join. Their last screening date is on August 5th. That's on Sunday. Information on the screen. Also, phone number if you want to join or if you want to get tickets to watch the pageant night on August 18th. Thank you so much and good luck to all of you. Thank you for joining us today on Kababayan LA. My name is Janelle Sawyer, Kababayan in Los Angeles. I'll see you again tomorrow.